Hey family, welcome to Cooking with Vegan Kings TV. Where every week I show you how to veganize budget-friendly meals, learn about your gut, and how to live a vegan lifestyle. After almost losing my life to diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol,
I got a wake-up call.
understanding who I was, I started to learn about my body. Being vegan doesn't mean all of us vegans are healthy. You can still fall off. Thinking you can eat any and everything?
This is just the beginning.
Was so much to learn. Unfortunately, we wasn't taught about nutrition, and that's a big part. After 3 long years, I decided to share my stories and my recipes with the world. I'm not a doctor. I'm just speaking from experience. As a husband, son, brother, and friend, healing was important to me. Join me on this journey, see what a vegan chef goes through. I will be uploading videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. Don't forget, hit that like button, swing on that bell, subscribe. Peace.